Hello dear friends, I'm Elena Rugal and welcome back to my page or channel. And today I will show you how to crochet adorable 3D pattern that consists of only 2 rows and has 5 stitches. This pattern based on strings and each 3D stitch consists of only 2 rows. I created this stitch by myself, so this is my own pattern. Please join me and you will learn more. Such pattern can be perfect to create blanket, phone case, bag, summer clothes or winter clothes, but for winter clothes you need to change kind of yarn. For this pattern you need to crochet the foundation chain made of 37 chains. For this pattern you need to have some tools such as crochet hook and a ball of yarn. For work you need crochet hook 1.4 and a ball of 100% mercerized cotton yarn, 169 meters in 50 grams. So let's crochet my pattern. Let's crochet the pattern. I will begin from the foundation chain. Make a chain of 37. Pattern consists of 5 stitches, so I repeat pattern 7 times. So 35 stitches are for the main pattern plus 2 stitches for more beautiful look. Let's count. Let's crochet the foundation chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and so on till you will get the whole foundation chain. My foundation chain is ready. So I remind you my pattern consists of 5 stitches, so I repeat pattern 7 times plus 2 stitches for more beautiful look. Let's crochet row 1. It is going to be a row of single crochet. Make a chain. I skip 2 stitches and make single crochet into the 3rd chain stitch. Then single crochet into each stitch of the foundation chain. Here what we have. My row is ready. It was row 1. Now let's crochet row 2. It is going to be a row of main stitches. So for my next row, make a chain of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well done. Turn the work. Yarn over the hook 3 times. I skip the first stitch. Insert the hook into the second stitch. Pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops 4 times. Now I'm working with this stitch. Now I'm working with strings around this stitch. Make a chain. Then yarn over, insert the hook around the stitch, pull up a loop, pull through first loop, like this. I did yarn over once, then insert the hook around the stitch, pull up a loop, pull through first loop. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I have done 9 such stitches. I hold all loops with my finger. I skip the first stitch, insert the hook into the next stitch, pull up a loop, then yarn over, pull through first 4 loops, Then yarn over, pull through next 4 loops. Here what we have, I have 5 loops on the hook. Then yarn over, pull through 4 loops. I have got 2 loops on the hook. And pull through 2 loops. Here what we have, chain, yarn over the hook. I insert the hook. Let's look at my chains. I insert the hook into the first chain space. Pull up a loop, pull through first loop, 1, 2, and 3. Here what I have. Then insert the hook into the next chain space, pull up a loop, pull through first loop, 1, 2, and 3. Well done. Then yarn over, pull through all loops on the hook. Make a chain, pull a little bit. My stitch is ready. That consists of 2 small halves or 2 rows. I continue working. Make double treble crochet stitch. I skip the first stitch, then skip the next one, work with the third one, make double treble crochet stitch, make a chain, turn the work, yarn over, insert the hook around the stitch, pull up a loop, pull through first loop 9 times, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I hold all loops with my finger, then insert the hook into the second stitch, pull up a loop, then yarn over, pull through 2 loops 3 times, 1, 2, and make the last time, and pull through 2 loops. Now I'm working with chain spaces, chain, and make yarn over, insert the hook into the chain space, pull up a loop, pull through first loop, 1, 2, 3, then make the next 3, 1, 2, 3, then pull through all loops on the hook, make a chain. The second stitch is ready. It consists of only 2 rows of such small strings. Make double treble crochet stitch. I skip 1 to insert the hook into the third stitch. Make double treble crochet stitch. So keep working in this way till the end of this row. In total it should be 7 times, so 7 such stitches. Let's look at the back side. So continue working in this way till the end of this row. Then I show you how to complete such row together. I have got 7 stitches, and now I show you how to complete such row together. Now yarn over the hook 3 times, and let's complete this row together. Insert the hook into the chain stitch on the beginning of the previous row, pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops 4 times, 1, 2, 3, 4. My row is done. Let's crochet the next row. It is going to be a row of single crochet. Make a chain, turn the work, make single crochet between stitches, I skip the previous stitch, then 2 single crochet into the chain space, 1, 2, then 2 single crochet into the next chain space, 1, 2. Then pattern consists of 5 stitches, then single crochet between stitches, and let's count 4 more stitches, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then insert the hook into the chain space, make single crochet 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pattern consists of 2 rows. Keep working in this way till the end of this row. One of them is 3D stitches and another one is 4 single crochet. Let's complete this row together. I remind you I did between stitches and 4 stitches into the 3D stitch. And now let's complete. Insert the hook into the 5th chain stitch that I did at the beginning of the previous row. Make single crochet. So my row 3 is ready. Let's crochet row 4. It is going to be a row of 3D stitches. Chain of 5. I'm going to work in the same way as I did in the second row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Turn the work, yarn over the hook 3 times. I skip the first stitch and make double treble crochet stitch into the second stitch of the previous row. Then you should repeat as many times as you need. You should repeat such stitches by yourself. Then you should crochet as many rows as you need. Pattern consists of 5 stitches and has 2 rows. So my swatch is ready. In this case I have got 6 rows. My 3D stitch consists of only 2 rows. Both of them are strings. Pattern consists of 5 stitches and has 2 rows. So this is the front side and this is the back. Such pattern can be used for small bag, phone case, or summer clothes or winter clothes, but for winter clothes you need to change kind of yarn. So please don't forget to subscribe to my page or channel. Please follow me in social media and of course crochet with me, and write comment below the video what you will get. Thank you so much for watching. Good luck in crafting and see you in the next video tutorials. It was Elena Rugal. Bye!